Where are my kitchen lovers? Today I am back with yet another interesting video. Yes, we are going to be doing something interesting and a little unusual. We will be making cake. But this time we will not be baking it. You know, when you hear cake, what comes to mind is bake. Today we will be steaming it. Did I hear you ask steam? Yes, you heard me right. We will be steaming cake. So come with me, let's experiment this and see how it turns out. So in a clean bowl, I go in with 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of sugar. Don't worry, I'll be leaving the measurement in the description of this video. 2 cups of buttermilk. This is my own homemade buttermilk. If you want me to show you how I made it, all you need to do is ask in the comment section. I'll be using 4 eggs. You can use 3 if the eggs are large. Here you see I'm breaking the egg one at a time. I had to learn my lesson the hard way. There was a day I was doing pancake, so I was breaking the egg directly into the batter, and the third one I broke was a bad one. That was how it rendered the whole batch bad. So from that day henceforth, any day I am doing anything with egg, I break one at a time and put it into the mixture. So this is me mixing it. I've put in 4 eggs. The eggs were not that big, so I used 4 instead of 3. Now I went in with some baking powder, some salt, and baking soda. You mix like this. And I went in with some orange zest. Mix, mix, mix. I wanted to do red velvet cupcake, but I found out that I didn't have cocoa powder, and again the red velvet color I have at home is very small. So instead of the cocoa powder, I use browning. So here, if you have cocoa powder, you are good to go, but I use browning instead. So I went in with my browning and then my red velvet color. It didn't actually give me the red velvet I wanted because the color wasn't much. And then my flour. After mixing, I went in with my flour. Put in half of the measurement, like so. I used 4 cups of flour, by the way. So I went in with, you can see, 2 cups of flour first. I mixed and then went in with the remaining 2, like so. Just mix. Just be careful not to overbeat. Like this. Now our mixture is ready. Please, if today is your first time coming across my video, do well to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to join the family. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my video. I'm very, 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 very happy. I'm not taking you for granted. Thanks for the love you show me. God bless you. So this is it. Our cake batter is ready. So I'm going to oil the container I'm going to use to steam it. Just oil the containers one after the other. You don't have to dust it with flour. Just oil it with groundnut oil is okay. Remember, we are steaming, we are not baking. So this is me oiling all the containers. Now I'm done. So I'll be scooping the batter into each of the containers like so. Just half full the containers like this. This is my first time doing a steamed cake, so let's see how it turns out. Just scoop out the batter into all the containers like this. Are you finding this video interesting? If yes, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. Also share with family and friends so they also see how to make this steamed cake. So I covered all the containers. Remember, we are steaming, so we don't want any of the vapor to affect the texture of the cake when it's done. So we cover it to trap the air, or the steam rather, in the cake. Now my pot was already on fire. I put in a colander and water and brought it to a boil. This is me arranging the cupcakes into the pot. So you just arrange them like this, cover and allow it to steam for 20 minutes. This is 20 minutes after. You can see some are already opening the cover. I just use a skewer to check whether it's well cooked. When you just press the skewer inside and remove it, and then it's clean, you know it is cooked. So this is it. Our steamed cake is ready. Look at how beautiful it's looking, and see how easy it comes out of the container because we oiled it. This is it. Very, very beautiful. Please try this and tell me how yours turned out. It's not only beautiful, it's also very nice. The only difference is it's not baked, that's just it. If not, it tastes just like a normal baked cake. See how fluffy it's looking also. It's just that I didn't get my red color. But believe me when I tell you, this cake is mouth-watering nice. If you don't believe me, try it. Thanks for watching and see you in my next. Bye.